How about the biomass pellets pressed from waste clothes? Can waste clothes be used as biomass pellets? This is the material given to us by our customer. Now we take it apart. It is these waste fabrics. Let us see if we can use this pellet machine to make standard pellets. This is the finished product of fabric pressing. With a small compression ratio, the larger the model rate, the better. Production long-term products dedicated to welcome customers. If you also have such real materials, we can also test the machine to adjust the compression ratio.